Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So this is live price prediction of Chainlink coin to what's going on and what's the update of Chainlink coin. Everything we discuss in this video. So try to understand holder. Please don't skip any second of this video and keep watch. Kindly subscribe this channel before I get started this video and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. You can see here, first of all, my friend, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and the last 7 days, if you could see here this time, minus 2.44% they fails down just and only in the last. So this is, my friend, you can see here absolutely I'm going to predicate this coin can upcoming 7 days can there is chance to take a jump, but every cryptocurrency is dumps by dumps, my friends, fails down, and absolutely there is no chance. I clearly truly, my friends, to Chainlink holder, there is no chance in upcoming 7 days to they take a jump. I 100% give you guarantee, my brother, to there is, you can see this time they take a short jump, short fails, you can see here, but don't see this short fails. You can see this type jump, just in only, my friend, last 2 days, this is last 7 days charts, just in only at the start of this week, my friend, they take a 2 days, my friend, they take a jump. All capital market is wake up, but after that you could see, my friends, they all capital market is falls down. So there is no chance, my friend. I truly, my brothers, to why there is no chance, especially the one reason is that to all crypto holders, especially short-term investors, they're starting selling in those days. So therefore, if you could see the all crypto market is falls down, if holders starting selling, then exactly, my friends, they falls down. So therefore, the main reason is that, and the second reason is that to in upcoming time, all crypto market at the start of month, all crypto market is falls down. So every cryptocurrency in the start of month falls down. So therefore, the Chainlink, there is no chance to, if in upcoming 7 days they moving upward, they starting moving upward. So kindly holder, if you are invest for a short time, then kindly definitely don't sell it, hold it and wait for the second mid month, my friends, especially exactly upcoming. I hope they will moving off like a rocket, but just in only you need to hold, and especially if you are a long-time investor, then absolutely, my friends, don't see this short fails. Wait for the 2022. I am also waiting for 2022, so you also wait. I hope they will make you millionaire if you wait for the 2022. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, for more this type informative videos, kindly you like, subscribe this channel, and absolutely if you want to notification, then absolutely press the bell icon for videos notification.